All right, class. We're doing integration, all this crazy method. By substitution. All right. Today we're gonna look at natural log. So the rule for natural log is integral of x dx. If you use the formula x to the -1 plus 1, you get 0. But natural log gives you absolute value of x. Natural log of absolute value of x. And the second one is 1 over u du would be natural log of u plus c. Since du is u prime, we can rewrite it as this. 1 over, u prime over u equal du equals natural log of u plus c. So that's the crazy one. So let's look at that. Why am I doing that? X minus 5 dx. If I let u be x minus 5, du is what? Dx. So I get over here 1 over u du, I get natural log of x minus 5 plus c. Why is that kind of important? Because later on you're going to figure out that it's just a derivative of inside times natural log of that. That's what it happens. So let's do another problem. By the way, we're going to have our exam this Thursday. Let's make it Thursday. And then we're going to have our final exam on this coming Monday. Let's look at this one. So let u be -3 minus x cubed. Du is -3x squared dx. So dx equal du over -3x squared. Now you look at it. X squared over u times du over -3x squared cancels out. So you end up getting natural log of u, absolute value of u, divided by -3 plus c. And u is natural log of 3 minus x cubed plus c. Now, we're going to get some trick problem. X plus 2, x cubed plus 3, x squared minus 4 dx. So one way of looking at that, I would say x squared plus 2x over x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4 dx. Now let u be x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4. Du would be 3x squared plus 6x dx. If I just simplify that, this gives me x squared plus 2x dx. So dx equal du over 3 minus x squared plus 2x. Now if I substitute all that information right over here, I get x squared plus 2x u times du over 3 times x squared plus 2x. This cancels out, and all I have left is 1/3 natural log of absolute value of u plus c. And what is u? natural log of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4 plus c. Now, are you going to get this type of easy question on the test? Not quite. I'm going to make the problem a little bit more interesting. Okay, now let's try this one. This is a really good problem. X to the 2/3 times 1 plus x to the 1/3 dx. Try that. This one is very, very tricky. I'm going to let u be 1 plus x to the 1/3. So du becomes 1/3 x to the negative 2/3 dx. So dx equal 3 over x to the 2/3 negative du. And I could even simplify that even more. This becomes the negative exponent becomes positive du. Now, du. So if I substitute all of that in here, let's try it. X to the 2/3 u times 3 x to the 2/3 du. Voila, look at that. 3 du over u. So in this case, you get just 3 natural log of 1 plus x to the 1/3 plus c. Now, let me give you some trig formulas of the 6 trig functions. We already know sine of u du is negative cosine of u plus c. Tangent of u du is equal natural log of cosine of u plus c. And if you look at sine over cosine, that's the formula you could use to do that. Secant of u, and you learned that in calculus too. Why is this true? Tangent of u plus c. This one, cosine of u, du equals sine of u plus c. Cotangent of u du is natural log of sine of u plus c. And then cosecant of u du is natural log of cosecant of u plus cotangent of u plus c. Now, I do not expect you to do that because that's what I expected to do it in calculus 2 over here. Just memorize it, and since it's open book, you could just save it in there. If I give you this problem, cotangent of theta d theta, you just have to divide that. Look, this is one part, and we already know what's cotangent. Cotangent is, where did that go? Right here, right over here. So if we just separate it, you get natural log of, this is negative cosecant of theta plus cotangent of theta, and then plus natural log of sine of theta plus c. Well, hopefully you guys refresh the logarithmic properties. If it's minus, that means it's a division. Cosecant of theta plus cotangent of theta plus c. Now, the next part, we're going to look at exponential function. Those who are coming in right now, what is this, 4th exam this coming Thursday, and final exam next Monday. If you have any questions, shoot me a question right now. All right, okay. So this is pretty simple. E to the x dx is e to the x plus c. And the other one is, what if it happened not just x, you have other function in there, du, you just get e to the u plus c. It's more like over u prime. Yeah, you could say over u prime. But don't look at it like this, but do a u du substitution, okay? Let's look at a problem. The first one, it works super easy. 3x plus 1 dx, you get 1/3, e to the u plus c, and the derivative of the u prime, you get e to the 3x plus 1 over 3 plus c. It works. So what if I would have given you a little bit more complicated one? E to the -1 x squared x cubed dx. That's why you can't just do this u prime, because it's a little bit tricky. So let u be -1 over x squared. Du in this case will become x -3rd dx. Oh, forgot the 2. So dx equal x to the 3rd over 2 du. So if I substitute all that in there, now it works nice. E to the u x cubed over 2 du over x cubed. Now we can do the derivative of that, and it becomes what? E to the negative x squared over 2 plus c. So I couldn't just do u prime to get that. That's the tricky one. All right, let's try this one. E to the 2x or 1 plus e to the 2x dx. Try that. So this is pretty simple. Let u be 1 plus e to the 2x. Du would be what? 2e to the 2x dx. So dx equal du over 2e to the 2x. So e to the 2x u times du over 2e to the 2x cancels out. Boom. I get natural log of e to the 2x plus c over 2. Well, this becomes redundant because e to the 2x is a positive one, and you don't even need to do that. You just write e to the 2x plus c over 2. Wow, look at that. Cancels out, and you get 2x over 2 plus c. Did I make a mistake somewhere? Wait a minute. Oh, I made a mistake right over here. Ha 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 ha. It's, I let 1 plus, sorry. That's what I was about to say. What is going on? So 1 plus e to the 2x plus c over 2. But again, 1 plus is still positive, so I don't even need to write that. So it just becomes positive. That's all I have to do. All right, so these are it. If you have question, I'm right over here. Ask me your question.